Hey guys, today I'm doing just a real quick video. I want to show you, I've already got things kind of torn apart, but I've got this Samsung washer. It's only just a couple years old. Unfortunately, what happens with these, they get overloaded with clothes and then they go off balance and kind of thrash around and bang real bad. And people just, they'll replace them. They'll go out, buy a brand new washer and spend all that money, or they'll pay somebody $300, $400, sometimes even $500 to come out, depending on where they live, to fix this stuff. And I want to show you guys, it's not that hard to fix. It's very easy to do. A couple of screws on the back allow this thing to lift up and slide forward. Then you just take it off. We kind of rotated it and set it down. Here's how you can tell if these are bad. And you can do this without taking the top off, but watch this. See how that springs like immediately pops back up, like, and it's springy and bouncy? It's not supposed to be like that. That's how you'll know that it's bad. So what you can do is you can reach your hand in and just kind of feel it. And if it super springs and wobbles, if you reach down in here and it's just super bouncy, not supposed to do that. So that's a dead giveaway that those shocks, which are these guys right here, that these have gone out. Now take a look here. You've got a lot of other washers aren't like this. So you kind of wonder if they knew that these were an issue and they just made them more accessible to be changed. Let's see if I can get a shot of that one down there. It also has a little cutout on the side so that they're super easy to change out. Literally, you lift up, you drop it down, and kind of wiggle it out. That's it. Then you pull it right out like that. Go on Amazon, grab the part number that you need, and swap it out. Okay, I think I paid $35 for these new ones. It's kind of strange. You can find these different prices. You can get them on sale. What you want to look for is you want to look for, as close to 5-star review as you can. You want to find where other people said they got them and they lasted a long time. Easy to swap out. It's pretty much the exact same part. And what happens is, these guys here, they just go out. See how that's got, I push down and it's got resistance here. That's how it's supposed to be. Whereas this old one has no resistance. It's just springy. Don't waste your time trying to fix these, trying to modify these. A lot of videos out there. You could spend 2 days working on all 4 of these little things. Man, for 30, 35, 40 bucks even, it's worth it. Just buy new ones. Even if they don't last too terribly long, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a whole new washer. You just spent $1,100 washer brand new. We put it right down in here, just like we pulled it out. You probably can't see any of that. Okay, so super easy. Bring it back up here, and it's going to drop in the top. Just do that with all 4 all the way around. See, much more resistance here. Whereas this, springy, okay, not springy. We'll get all 4 put on there, then I'll get this thing fired up. I always do a test run on everything. I'll run a few loads through it. Then I'll have this listed up for sale. But if you've got your own washer and you're just looking to get it fixed, it's that easy. A couple of screws on the back, fold over to the top. You've ordered your parts. You just take your model number of your washer, go to appliancepartspros.com, type it in. It'll give you a list of all the parts. Take that part number, buy it from them, or go to Amazon, type the part number in, and get it cheaper. Do your due diligence, read your reviews, make sure it's good. When it comes in, take this top off, slap 4 new ones in, put it back together, boom, you're done. Hopefully this little tip here saves some people some money, some time. I try to keep these videos kind of short. But if you did find this information useful, valuable, please like, subscribe, share, and maybe other people with Samsung washers that are going off balance can get some use out of this video too. Thanks guys, have a great day. One last thing, check it out. So now they're all 4 replaced. See the resistance I have there? It's very difficult to push down now, and it's not springy. See, I'm doing the same type of movement here, and look, it's not flopping all around. I go to the inside and it's very difficult to push down. It's not springing back on me. So if yours kind of is doing this where it's hard to push down and it's not real springy, you might have a different issue. But if you grab it, reach down in there, and it just starts boom, 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 that's how you know.